hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Here we are again. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my world. My world is pretty boring. Okay, every day I make 4 cups of tea. I don't drink 4 cups of tea, but I make about 4 cups of tea. Usually I drink about half of it, but I have discovered something. Okay, where is it? I buy this tea at Dollar Tree, and 1 bag will make 4 cups of tea, nice tea. Okay, what I discovered is it's a lot better is that as soon as your tea is brewed to take the tea bags out, your tea is going to stay tasting better, longer. So, okay, so you know, this is a year of the extreme frugality. And so, fortunately for me, I was being frugal as it was. So I have come up with one of my brilliant ideas. Look, my flowers are still looking pretty good from the food pantry. I got them last week. So anyway, to do with the extreme frugality thing, if each day you're frugal, but you try to improve your frugality each day, say whatever you did that was really good, you would try to do it a little bit better the next day. In time, you're going to become more frugal. You're going to become more prosperous. You're going to pay your bills down. So whatever you did that was successful, you would want to do that. So today I was at Walmart because, you know, I was walking 2 hours a day. I have to at my age to stay healthy. So at one point, I bought 8 cans of evaporated milk because they were dented. And I found 8 cans of evaporated milk last me about a month. That's drinking and using as much as I want. So I bought 4 cans at Walmart. And then I bought 2 cans of sweet potatoes. And I bought 2 cans of spinach because I made, I made 1 can for dinner. So 1 can of spinach is actually a lot of spinach, actually. Uh-oh, I gotta get my turkey burgers out. So, these are yummy. Okay, so, so usually when I stockpile, I buy 2. That way, I bought 2 of these. I finally found tuna. We have to eat fish, like it or not. We have to. You can get amino acid deficiencies if you don't have any fish in your diet, which in time will kill you. And I bought the sweet potatoes because if you stockpile vegetables and you stockpile sweet potatoes, and rice, chances are, I bought potatoes this week at 99 cents only, half price. Because I know if I have potatoes, sweet potatoes, and rice and meat, I try to get that 99 cents. And then the cheese I've been buying is Dollar Tree. So I bought 4 of those because I don't want to be running out of. Food. So okay, so now what did I make? I was so happy to find this recipe. So as you know, last week I went to the food pantry, and what they gave us was some turkey tenderloin. So this is one of them, and I cut it in chunks. And first I slow roasted it, and that was not very successful. It was okay, but it wasn't delicious. So basically, this is not the most succulent turkey I ever met, but that is okay. Here is my potato. It's so much quicker if you grate them and fry them. You know, homemade. And then I made, oh, I wanted to show you, this is my Dollar Tree burger maker. You can get your burgers more uniform. And then I have some German spinach. One of the things I'm doing is I'm getting my recipes out there, you guys. Here it is. It's cheap as can be. That's why you need, the first Walmart I went to didn't have any canned spinach, but the second one, all they had was this. And this was over $1. I think it was about $1.16, $2.30 for two. But the other Walmart had 64 cents. So that is like 33% cheaper. So I need to stockpile up more canned vegetables. Now here is my turkey burger recipe. So I cut my turkey tenderloin in chunks. While it was still partially frozen, I ground it in my blender. I just ground it up. I didn't use ricotta cheese. I used my Dollar Tree cheese because you're just trying to add a little fat. It's supposed to be ricotta. One time I used mozzarella, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce. One time I used steak sauce and mustard. And so these are some tasty burgers. Look at these, you guys. Okay, so I fried my potatoes in oil. So this is another one of my dirt cheap meals. Now, let me give you my German. This is good, you guys. So now what was really, really good about it is if you don't even have to make your turkey burger using the recipe, but it is good. All you have to know is fry your turkey burgers in bacon grease. So to make this, I had, I didn't have 4 pieces of bacon. I had 1 piece of bacon. And so then I just added everything except for the salt and pepper. I will add pepper when I eat it. And so this is a good use for your stockpile spinach. You want to be stockpiling canned vegetables. Okay, so now, tomorrow is the food pantry day, and I will be going to the food pantry, and I will be trying to think of ways that I can conserve my money. Another thing that I will be doing is I will be thinking about this sanitation issue. If we stay sanitary and we pretty much, sequester ourselves so as not to come in contact with any, shall we say, viruses, we're going to be better off for a multitude of reasons. Just until flu, some people are saying, it's only the flu. Well, that's okay. Let's just not go there. It's not a good idea. Some viruses, some viral agents have been classified by the CDC as potential weapons of mass destruction or agents for biological terrorism. One of the notable ones was smallpox, fever viruses, agents of viral encephalitis, and others because they are highly infectious and relatively easy to reproduce. So what we want to do is avoid all contaminants. One of the best ways is to avoid people who might, strangers basically, who might introduce these agents to us. And the main way we can do that is avoid being in close physical contact with strangers, which is pretty easily done. Now, another thing, The Olympic Games this summer are in Tokyo. So I can't imagine any people racing to go to Tokyo at this time. And so, okay, so that's enough on that because it makes me lose all my advertising. So now, if we're super thrifty and we save our money and we were preparing for the worst, food, water, gas, cash, a weapon, heat, and some kind of evacuation plan. Just put it in the back of your mind and say, as of today, maybe I did a lot of things right to save my money, but tomorrow I'm going to try to find better means. Okay, now you guys, this is really, really tasty. You got to try this. And another good thing about it, this is a stockpile item, and the vinegar in it, you want to stockpile a lot, is like vitamin C or an acidic agent. Okay, Alexander the Great would put vinegar in the drinking water so that his troops did not pick up the diseases of the enemies. So you want to be eating vinegar foods, you want to be taking vitamin C, you want to be taking vitamins, you want to be drinking orange juice. And the other thing that I found was this at Walmart, but they had big ones at a grocery outlet. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.